Alright guys, I'm going to be teaching you how you can generate QR codes using canva.com. Alright, so you're going to go to any link you want to copy. Alright, you want to go to, for instance, I want to create a QR code with my profile, with my Instagram profile. So I'm going to copy the link. I'm going to go back to Fiverr. I'm going to create a canvas. Then go down to this menu, click on apps and select QR code. Alright, so I'm going to paste the link and click on generate, and automatically it has generated a QR code for me. So if I scan this right now, it's going to take me to my Instagram profile, and it can work for every other site that you want to generate a QR code for. Alright, so let me do the scanning now so that you can